Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, how to make a smooth sliding effect on a text in Davinci Resolve. Let's go. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all our upcoming videos. And let's dive in. The first thing you have to do is to go to your titles panel to the left top corner, and then just drag and drop any text like this. In this basic title, I want to make the sliding effect or the sliding transitions. So I'm gonna tab in the transitions bar or the transitions tab and then search for slide. I'm gonna drag the slide motion to the beginning and also the end of the video, like so. Then to make it smoother, click on the beginning, this effect, and then as you can see in the transition effect, click on ease, make it in and out. And the other part, or the one at the ending, click on it, and then we are gonna reverse the direction to make it from in to out. Then the ease also in and out. And now let's see the transition. Look, it's so smooth. If you want to increase the duration of the effect, just drag it like this, and as you can see, it's kinda smoother. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all our upcoming videos. And goodbye.